Welcome back to Beautyistic, beauties. Today we're exploring a little black magic for your lashes, the KIKO Milano New Luxurious Mascara. It promises bold volume, precise definition, and long-lasting wear, all packed into a waterproof, smudge-proof formula. Let's see how it really performs beyond the claims. This mascara features a spiral applicator designed to coat each lash evenly, aiming to give you that coveted full lash look without clumping. Its ultra-gliding formula is crafted to deliver both volume and separation, with a waterproof, smudge-proof finish that should hold up from morning coffee to evening cocktails. The shade I tested is the classic black, perfect for creating everything from subtle definition to dramatic impact. In real-world use, I found this mascara glides smoothly across lashes, making application effortless, even for those tricky inner corners. The spiral brush is well-shaped to separate and lift lashes while depositing just enough product to avoid heaviness. On the first coat, lashes look naturally defined. Adding a second coat brings noticeable volume without that clumpy or spidery look many mascaras fall prey to. Throughout the day, it stays put, even in humid conditions or light rain, without smudging or flaking. The waterproof formula really does live up to its promise, which is a huge plus if you have long days or emotional movie nights planned. One thing I noticed is that while it separates beautifully, curling retention could be stronger. If your lashes are naturally straight or stubbornly downward, you might want to use a lash curler before applying. But for general wear, it keeps lashes looking lifted and voluminous. Pros: the mascara has an impressive blend of volume and definition. The spiral applicator is precise, the waterproof and smudge-proof claims hold up, and it doesn't clump. The sleek packaging also feels sturdy and high-end, giving it that luxurious touch KIKO Milano promises. As for cons, the curling effect is moderate, and some may find removal slightly more challenging due to the waterproof formula, which is typical of mascaras in this category. A gentle eye makeup remover or micellar water does the trick without harsh rubbing. Regarding value for money, KIKO Milano positions this as a premium mascara, and I'd say it delivers, especially if you're looking for a formula that lasts all day and gives clean, defined volume. Compared to drugstore options, the long-wear performance and precision brush are standout benefits. If you're used to higher-end brands like Lancome or YSL, this offers similar results at a more approachable price point, making it a compelling choice. In terms of alternatives, if budget is a concern, there are affordable mascaras with volumizing effects, but the waterproof, smudge-proof combination and elegant brush design make this one harder to beat in the mid-range category. So should you try it? If you're after a mascara that combines definition, volume, and longevity, KIKO Milano's New Luxurious Mascara is a solid pick. It works beautifully for daily wear or dramatic evening looks, and its formula truly keeps up through long, busy days. If this review helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so fellow beauty lovers can find honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The purchase link is in the description box, so you can grab it if you're curious. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.